Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today we have a yoga for change flow for you. So this is a great video to come to if you're going through periods of change, if you're stepping out of your comfort zone and going through something uncomfortable, then this is the video for you. Make sure you click subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when I post a free video. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Welcome everyone. Let's find a comfortable position on our mat, cross-legged. Taking a few moments here to set an intention for your flow. Palms can be face down on your knees or face up for receiving. And just take a few deep belly breaths here. And then we'll bring the hands on either side of the hips and begin to walk the fingertips back behind you, walking them in close to each other and open up through the heart. Take a few breaths here. And then bring the arms in front of you and crossing right arm underneath your left. Give yourself a little hug, or you can find eagle arms. Inhale and exhale, release. Bringing the hands back behind you, walking the fingertips in towards each other. Lift the heart. And releasing that and sending the arms out in front of you, crossing left elbow underneath your right, coming in for a self-love hug, or you can find eagle arms. On your next exhale, release. Let's drop the right ear over the right shoulder. Actively reach that left ear up towards the sky. Feel this nice stretch in the neck. Inhale to come back through to center. Exhale, left ear over left shoulder, right ear reaches towards the sky. And play with the tilt and the tuck of your chin until you find a stretch that works for you. Inhale to come through to center. Exhale, drop your chin to your chest. Feel this nice stretch in the back of your neck. Inhale to come back. And from here, we'll dive forward, coming into Tabletop Pose. Wrist underneath shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Inhale to drop the belly, shine the heart forward. Exhale to arch through the back. Inhale to come through center and come into your cow pose. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest for cat pose. Inhale for your cow pose. Exhale for your cat pose. And take two more here. Breathe deeply and move mindfully. And then coming through to center. And take your right toes, bring them behind you. Rock a little front and back here. Inhale to lift the toes away from your mat. Bend the knee. And let's take some knee circles here, moving one way, establishing a rhythm here. And then switching it up and moving the other way. Keep some flexion in that foot. And even it out. Extend that leg behind you and then drawing it in, coming into a low lunge. Front knee over front ankle. Keeping the hands on the mat here. Take another breath here. And as you exhale, bring the hips back, straighten through that front leg, and find a release over your straight leg for runner stretch. Inhale to come back through to your low lunge. Plant the hands down and reach the right fingertips towards the sky, finding a low lunge twist. Exhale, bring the hand back down. Plant the hands and step that foot back. Come back to your tabletop pose. And then send the left leg out long. Rock front and back on your tippy tip toes. Inhale, lift the toes away from the mat. Bend at the knee, and let's take those knee circles. Press evenly between all 10 fingerprints. Make sure you're not collapsing towards one side. Reverse your circle. Changing it up here. And then extend that leg out long to draw it in for your low lunge. Heart radiates forward. On your exhale, straighten through that left leg, flex the left foot towards the face, and release the crown of the head over your leg. Inhale, come through for low lunge. Plant the right hand, left arm reaches towards the sky. Find your twist. As you exhale, bring the hand back down, plant them, and swing that leg back into tabletop pose. Bring the big toes to touch, knees go nice and wide, and find extended child's pose here. Even out the breathing. On your next inhale, pull yourself back up, kneeling. Plant the left hand in the center and reach the right arm towards the sky. Take a breath. We'll replace that hand down, reach the left arm up towards the sky. Take a breath and bring it down. Come back to your tabletop pose and drop your elbows where your hands were. Step back, coming into a low plank here. Press down through the forearms, heels reach back. You are strong, you can do this. As you exhale, come to the belly and shine through the heart, coming into your Sphinx pose. Walk the elbows a little more in front of you so they're directly underneath the shoulders. Find this nice little back bend here. Smile. Exhale, release the forehead down. Hands come underneath your shoulders and we press up to plank and send it back to your downward facing dog. Pedal it out here, find some movement. And then switching it up, change in perspective. Walk the hands back towards the feet and find a forward fold. clasping the elbows here and rocking a little from side to side. You can tell how cold I am here. Hamstrings are a little tight. Release that. Hands come on the mat. Walk your feet as wide as your yoga mat, toes splaying off the edge. Adjust yourself if needed, like me. And then sinking the hips down, coming into your Yogi Squats. You can keep hands on the mat or bring them in front of you, using your elbows to press open the knees. Smile, laugh, have some fun. And then gracefully as you can, we'll make our way onto the mat, bringing the soles of the feet together. Knees go nice and wide for your Cobblers Pose. Sit up nice and tall, straight through the spine here. Keep breathing. We're going to have some fun here. So inhale, bring the knees together. You're going to sit back and begin to tap those toes on your mat, on the floor. Tap, 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 tap. Have some fun. Bring a childlikeliness in here. Smile, giggle, wake your neighbor. Even it out here. And then finding a cross-legged position. Taking a few moments here in a meditation seat. If you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support truly does make a difference in the world. Comment down below and let me know where you're practicing this yoga for change flow. Don't forget to pop by and say hi on social media so we can connect there. Bring the hands together and draw the thumbs right up to the third eye. And we bow down. Namaste. I will see you next time, yogis. Have a good one.